Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington DC, I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
The LINQ. Attractions, promenade life, and the high roller. The LINQ is built around the idea that the Las Vegas resort can be more than a casino floor. It can be a complete entertainment ecosystem. At the heart of that ecosystem is the LINQ Promenade, one of the most recognizable open-air districts on the Strip. The promenade stretches between the casino and the back of the property, forming a corridor filled with restaurants, shops, bars, and entertainment venues arranged in a compact, walkable layout. Along the promenade are casual eateries, dessert shops, immersive attractions, and bars with indoor-outdoor setups. The space was designed to feel energetic at any hour, with lighting, signage, and architecture that create a continuous visual experience as you move through it. The layout narrows and widens intentionally, creating small pockets where performers, crowds, or events often gather. Towering above the promenade is one of Las Vegas' most distinctive modern landmarks, the High Roller Observation Wheel. Standing 550 feet tall, it's the world's tallest observation wheel when it opened. Its enclosed spherical cabins provide panoramic views across the entire valley, the Strip, and the surrounding desert. The wheel became an instant symbol of the district, giving the LINQ a signature attraction that differs from anything offered by its neighbouring resorts. The area also included a range of interactive experiences. At various times, the promenade has featured zipline attractions, virtual reality experiences, game lounges, and small theatres hosting comedy, magic, or specialty shows. These elements contribute to the promenade's role as a hub of accessible entertainment rather than traditional casino-centric activity. Inside the main casino building, the LINQ incorporates modern design cues, digital screens, polished surfaces, vivid accent lighting, and gaming areas that blend seamlessly with bars and lounges. Many visitors experience the casino not simply as a gaming environment, but as part of a broader flow that leads from the Strip through the buildings and out onto the promenade. The LINQ also connects directly to major neighbouring resorts through pedestrian walkways and bridges, making it part of a busy central Strip ecosystem. Its position between properties like Araz and Flamingo helps sustain strong foot traffic, ensuring the promenade feels active throughout the day. What sets the LINQ apart is its emphasis on the contemporary Las Vegas experience, one built on outdoor areas, collaborative entertainment, striking visuals, and attractions that appeal to a wide variety of visitors. It represents the Strip's shift towards blending traditional resort elements with a feel of modern entertainment district, giving the Central Strip a renewed identity.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.